Welcome to Homework Lib.
We have to replace the semicircle. Now the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. A semicircle would be half of this. If the radius is 1.5, then it's 1/2 times pi times 1.5 squared. You're asked specifically to use 3.14 for pi. So it'd be 1/2 times 3.14 times 1.5 squared. To the nearest hundredth is 2 decimal places. So off to a calculator you'd go. 1/2 times 3.14 times 1.5 squared, or times 1.5 again. That's what squaring means. And you get 3.5325. But if you're doing this to 2 decimal places, that 2 is not going to round it up, so it's 3.53.